Hello, my fellow people. Speaking here is Shorai Mbiriwiri. Today I'm going to speak about malnutrition in children under the age of 5 years and how to prevent it. Malnutrition is the disease caused by lack of nutrients in the body, which leads to serious health issues including stunted growth, eye problems, diabetes, and heart diseases. It is the underlying cause of death for between 3 and 5 million children under 5 every year. Image of starving children in emergency settings are part of the public conscious, but the reality is that the majority of children suffering from malnutrition do so in silence, far away from the public eye. Insufficient diets affect everyday life for hundreds of million children. For example, in Zimbabwe, malnutrition in children has increased due to food shortages that has affected the country for the past 20 years. We've discovered that 1 in 3 children is affected by malnutrition. In my story, in my area, there was a little girl who was affected by malnutrition. She was underweight and was not growing like other children. She was discovered to be suffering from kwashiorkor, which was caused by poor nutrients due to hunger. The parents of the little girl were educated about how to prevent malnutrition, and they were also helped to have access to UNICEF to receive food parcels monthly. And the girl did recover as she was getting sufficient nutrition for the body. Ensure that your child eats healthy food always. Change your child's diet. It could save their life. Let's work together to prevent malnutrition for our future generation. Thank you all for your time and listening. You can click on www.preventmalnutrition.org. Thank you all.